In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the simplest possible lead magnet funnel using only 2 pages, an opt-in page and a thank you page. No complicated automations, no email setup, nothing, just 2 pages that actually work. Now this is perfect if you're a complete beginner or you want to get your first funnel live fast, so let's jump right into it. So first we'll go to your main dashboard, go up to Sites, and let's go to your sales funnels. And here, if you have not yet created a sales funnel, then you'll create one at this time. Give your funnel a name like I've done here in my first sales funnel. It could be your first lead magnet funnel, any name you want to give it. Use the free System.io, which you'll see when I create my funnel here. You're going to see I'm using my free System.io domain. And as soon as you click that sales funnel, you're going to see your funnel pages right over here. It starts with the opt-in page. Now, the last time we created an opt-in page, so we're not going to do that again, but what I will show you, just to remind you, here's the opt-in page. We're going to go to edit it. Just want to remind you, and this is key, you need to go to the button where people will actually click in. So they'll put their email list here on the opt-in page, and then they'll click send me the free checklist in this case. Now if you click on that, and you get this little orange icon here, you press that, and over here under button it says the action when the button is clicked is to submit the form. That's what you want it to say. You want the form submitted when they click on it. And the second thing, it says, do you want to redirect users after contact registration? And of course you do, and you choose over here in the drop down, you choose to the next step. You could also choose a custom URL if you have several steps and you want to pick the one that you want. But for now, we'll just say it goes to the next step. That will get people to automatically go to your thank you page the second they click that submit button, and that's what you want them to do. You want them to go automatically to that thank you page because that's where your lead magnet will be. Now let's take a look at that. We click here on exit this page because we've already been there. Just to remind you, that opt-in page looks like this. I'll show you view the funnel step. That's what the opt-in page looks like. In the sample that we're going to do right now that I'm going to show you, you're telling people to go to their the free System.io funnel checklist, build your first profitable funnel in 7 days. So this is what you're giving them right here. This is your lead magnet. And you want them to come right on the second page because we're just going to make this a 2-page funnel. Nothing fancy, no links to any outside pages. So I'll close this and go back to the funnel. And I'm going to show you right now a thank you delivery page that I've already created. But before I do that, I'm going to just do add a step myself so that you can see how this gets done. And so we'll add a step and we'll call it thank you sample. So I'll just call it something. And the type of page it's going to be is a thank you page. So you want to have a thank you page for this. And I'm not going to choose a template. You could choose a template, but because this is mostly our own lead magnet, I'm going to say start from scratch because I just want to create a text page. So I'm going to click start from scratch, and I'm going to say save. Now we're on this thank you page sample. We'll go to edit. So we have nothing. We have just a blank page, and this is perfect for a lead magnet because on a lead magnet you really want to give people whatever it is you're giving them. So the first thing we do is we just go over here and drag the headline onto your canvas. This is your canvas, and it gives you a headline section. For my headline, I'm just going to overwrite this headline. And I'm going to paste it right there. And it says, thank you. Here's your free System.io beginner funnel checklist because that's what we promised to give them. So now on this thank you page, we're going to actually deliver that lead magnet. Not going to do a lot of work on this page. We want to keep it very simple. Remember, this is a simple funnel. So we're just going to come over here And again, once you get that orange icon, you can click that, and that lets you edit anything you want in that particular inside this box. And this is the headline box. So if I want the font size to be bigger or smaller or whatever, I can change that here with this slider. I can change the line height like that so that the letters are split up a little bit. And if I want to change the color to this, I can go over here where it says section. I can go over to the editing panel on the left, and you see it says section. I can change the size, the position. I can go to the background. I can put a background color in there if I want to. I can put a different background image, but I'm just going to keep this simple now. To deliver that lead magnet, I'm going to use a text. You could deliver the lead magnet in anything you want. If you wanted to put a video in here, you could go down here and drag video over here, and you could put a video, an image, whatever. But I'm going to do just a simple text box here. So I'm going to drag this over, wait for that line to turn blue. There you go. Get a dark blue line, and I'll drop that text box right here. Now I'll go and I'll copy this text that's defaulted. I'll get rid of that, and I've already copied text for my lead magnet, so I will paste that in here. You can see the formatting is all off, so I'm just going to go to this box. I'll click on the edit bar here, and now we have the text box. I can change anything I want, size, position, color. What I want to change is the position, because to begin with it's on-centered. I want it on left margin, so you see that. Then the text is way too small, so I hit Control A and I get all that text. And for the size of the text, you just go right here and you can make it bigger, which I want it bigger. You can make it smaller, whatever you want. So let's just leave it like that for now. I can come back up here and go to this section. Click over here. I can put a color background if I want to. So I'll come here, I'll get rid of that, and I will put in another color background, and you see how you have a different color background. So you play around with it, you make it look the way you want. Here's your text. This is just placeholder text, obviously, but you get the idea. We promised them a beginner funnel checklist, and here's your beginner funnel checklist right here on the thank you page. So you don't need another page. This is just the second page that you have in the funnel, and this is where it is. So on day one, I'm telling people they can do this. On day 2, they can do that. Day 3, they can do this. Day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, and that's their checklist to work through the System.io beginner funnel. Now I'll just save this. I'll exit, and I will show you the actual delivery page that I had created, and it's called Thank You Delivery Page. And I'll view the funnel steps so you can see what it looks like. Thank you. Here's your free System.io beginner funnel checklist, and there's the checklist right there. So this is where your lead magnet will be delivered instantly on your thank you page. Just add all the content directly onto the page. Your full checklist, tips, images, or even embedded video, like I said. Just make it valuable so people feel they got something great right away, and once you're happy with the design, save it, and now you've got your second page. And that's it! You now have a complete working lead magnet funnel with just 2 pages. This simple setup is great when you're starting out. Later you can add email delivery or more steps, but this version gets you results immediately. Now if this helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple System.io tutorials. Drop a comment, tell me what your lead magnet is. I'd love to see what you're offering, and I will be answering all the comments myself. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.